Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Warmbox. Now Warmbox is an email warm-up tool designed to improve your email deliverability and sender reputation. When it comes to the pros, it excels at automating the process of sending and interacting with emails to mimic human activity, significantly boosting your chances of landing in the inbox rather than the spam folder. This can save considerable time and effort compared to manual warming methods. Now, when it comes to the cons, we're looking at pricing. Pricing can be a drawback for some, and a few users have reported occasional deliverability hiccups or limitations in customization options depending on the plan. Let's quickly look at the pricing. So here's the pricing. Now, despite some potential costs and occasional performance issues, Warmbox remains a valuable tool for anyone serious about improving their email outreach success. So give it a try today. You can book a demo to see what it's all about.